Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
You alright? What's that? I work here. He's doing his job. Nice. It's been raining, but it's not raining. So we'll that looked like the fucking light of the Misterons, because my light went over his face. As per usual, bus can't keep a fucking lane and now creeps forward so I can't go in the box. Great. Bus driver can't pick a lane and then creeps forward even though I'm coming towards him. The hell, man? Look in your wing mirrors, see me coming and leave me space. Red. Wait. Don't just assume. Hold your horses. There you go.
Coughs and sneezels spread diseases.
Who are you, the fat bastard?
Why was that Audi giving you grief?
Because the BMW was about to pull away from the lights. So I went like that to say, you know, hang on a minute, hold your horses. So when the lights went green, I was like, go on, go ahead of me. So which he said thank you, and then the guy behind me pulled up, and the guy behind him pulled up, and he was like, who are you, the fat controller? You wanker. Oh no, fucking fucked up, man. Here's a demonstration of how powerful my lights are. Watch they're currently on low power, right, so bear that in mind. Watch the traffic lights in the distance. Nothing, 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 nothing. Whoa! Nothing, nothing. Seriously, look at that. That is mental. That's low power. High, I would hate to imagine. I would hate to imagine what it's like at high. Blind people itself. I mean, he can see me coming. So, you know. Nice, where the fucking hell am I supposed to go? Yeah, 34. I'm behind my time. In my time terms, I'd want to be there by now, but there we go. Nice. Come on, mate. Some bird off from here. I don't know what it is, I think I'm not going to cat this hand. Come on, girl, can you kick it? Yes, you can. I've got a feeling he wasn't even trying, though. Good girl. Dodgy wheel or not, you fucking rock it. Oh, sorry. That is one of the dangers of being right up next to the curb when you indicate. Clothesline people. I am so sorry, dude. If you watch this back, that was not my intention. Zebra crossings catch me out every time. And that one's killer. It was halfway up this hill. Thank you. Purely for comedic value, I have a very heavy load in my backpack, so how's this mount gonna go? Ooh. Interestingly, bloody hell, my shoulders. Oh, this bag's amazing, like straight up amazing. For the size of it, it's carried a 12-piece dinner service, and it's now carrying 1 bottle of wine, 4 bottles of beer, and 2 bags of essentially frozen chips. Yeah. And I still had room in the front pocket for my receipt. Oh my god, this is the best bag ever.